In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix flash not working on iPhone. First, let's start by removing any case, screen protector, or camera accessory that may be blocking the flash. This is a simple yet crucial step. Many times, these accessories can obstruct the light from reaching its intended target. As you remove these items, pay close attention to the area around the camera lens. You might see some dust or debris that could be affecting performance. By ensuring that nothing is inhibiting the flash, you are setting the stage for effective troubleshooting. This small action can save you time and frustration later on. Next up, open the control center on your iPhone. You can do this by swiping down from the upper right corner if you have an iPhone with Face ID, or swiping up from the bottom of the screen on older models. Once you see the control center, look for the flashlight icon and tap it to test the LED flash. You should either see a bright light or a confirmation that the flashlight is functioning. This step is important because it checks if the LED flash is working independently of the camera. If the flashlight works, you know the issue might be with the camera app itself. After that, it's time to open the camera app. Once the app is up, look for the flash setting, which is usually represented by a lightning bolt icon. Ensure that this setting isn't turned to off. Sometimes users accidentally change settings without realizing it. This step matters because the camera flash needs to be enabled for it to work during photos. If it was set to off, simply tapping it to change the settings should make a difference. Now, if everything seems in order, let's move on to restarting your iPhone. To do this, press and hold the power button until you see the slider appear. Slide it to power off your iPhone, and once it's completely off, wait a few seconds before turning it back on. Restarting your device can clear minor glitches that may be affecting performance. After the restart, it should feel fresh and responsive, which can lead to solving the flash issue. Once your iPhone is back on, it's time to check for updates. Go to the Settings app, tap on General, and then select Software Update. This step is crucial because sometimes software bugs affect camera functionality. If an update is available, download and install it. This ensures your iPhone is running the latest software, which can improve performance and fix known issues. With the software updated, it's time to test both the camera app and the flashlight again. Open the camera app and take a quick photo while ensuring the flash is enabled. Then check the flashlight feature one more time from the control center. This double checking is essential because it confirms that both features are back to working order. If they are functioning properly, you'll be relieved to know that the issue is resolved. If the flash still doesn't work after all these steps, it may be time to reach out for help. Contact Apple support or visit an Apple store or an Apple authorized service provider. The issue might be hardware related, which requires professional attention. This is important because attempting to fix hardware problems on your own can sometimes lead to further issues. Note that your iPhone may temporarily disable the flash if it's overheating. If you suspect this is the case, allow your device to cool down before trying again. Also, keep in mind that if the flashlight works but the camera flash doesn't, the problem may be specific to the camera app. In that case, further service might be necessary. Following these steps can help you troubleshoot effectively and get your iPhone camera flash back in action.